This Stomp intro template will work with Premiere Pro 2018 or above versions. Following fonts are required for this project. Let me show you how to edit and use this template. Open Stomp intro project. To add images or videos, go to the Image and Video Holders folder. Here are 8 image or video holders. Let's import images or videos. Open image holder sequences and add images one by one. Now to change texts, go to Text Holders folder. Here you can add texts. After adding text, export it. That's it. Thanks for watching.